Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for Thursday, August the 23rd, Tiger Minute. Just kind of do a wrap up real quick. We had a great, wonderful day here at the high school. We had our grand photography for our picture day, so all of our students got their pictures taken. There will be a makeup day. If you did miss today and you need to have a retake, that'll be on September the 21st. We'll be announcing that here at the school, so there'll be a makeup day for that. Then next week we will be starting after-school tutoring. It'll be from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. That'll be in the library. That'll be Monday through Thursday. We don't have tutoring on Friday, but that will start next week. We will also be starting to develop our plans for our interventions, which will happen during Tiger Time. We will have the fall CERT test on Tuesday of next week, and that's to just test all our students. It's an ACT-based test, kind of give a measure of where those students stand and what kind of interventions they need to be in from that point forward. Please go over your grades with your students. We are in our second week of school. We're starting to notice some students that have some Fs out there, but those are mainly from just not turning some assignments in. So be sure you check with your child and see if they're turning all their assignments in. Let's get those Fs going and away. Tonight we do host Meade County, a district rival here at the Tiger Arena. It is a pink out, so I'd like to encourage everybody to come out and support our Lady Tigers tonight in that game. Game times will be 5:30, 6:30, and 7:30. Again, it's here at Tiger Arena. Our golf team is in action out at the community center against Grayson County High School. Our freshman football team will be playing tonight as they host Davis County at Tiger Field. Tomorrow night, our football team takes their 1-0 record to Grayson County High School to play them on the road. Also, our golf team will be at North Hard tomorrow, and our FCCLA will be taking a field trip to Kentucky State Fair. We will conclude our drills, our safety drills tomorrow during Tiger Time. Then I'd also like to wish our soccer team good luck this weekend as they travel to Apollo on Saturday, and also good luck to our volleyball team as they play at the Best of the West tournament this weekend. So good luck to them. And that concludes our Thursday, August 23rd, Tiger Minute. You'll have a wonderful afternoon. Be a champion.